What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Sit back and enjoy. Alright, today we got a 2008 Ford Fusion. We're going to be replacing this spray nozzle for the windshield washer fluid. It's this guy right here. This process is going to be the same or similar for multiple vehicles, so let's get started. First off, we got to get this black padding out of the way a little bit. So this is held in here. There's these two little flexible metal tabs. Two. Then you got a couple of these little plugs. Just pull out of there. And that should give us enough to access. Right there you can see it broken off, so I'm going to pull that out of there. And this, if you can see that, there's two little plastic tabs you got to squeeze and push it up through there. Okay, with that out of there, you can see this is so brittle it just crumbled apart, but if it wasn't, you can just squeeze these two plastic tabs here with pliers and push it up through. So I'm going to put the new one in, put that in there, turn it and just push it down. It snaps right in, sets in through the hood. Now this, I got to get that leftover plastic out before I can slide it up on there. What I like to try to do is thread a screw part way into there so you have something to hold on to and try to pull that out of there. Sometimes that works. If not, you can cut this hose off. There's enough slack in here you can slide it up on there. So I'm just going to see which way works for me here. Okay, the plastic that was left inside this hose was so old and brittle, I was able just to squeeze this hose like this and it all just crumbled right out. Now all you do is slide that onto your new one, and there you go, it's all replaced. Put these back in, get your metal clips, you're gonna get both of them, and then we're gonna put the plastic tabs in. That's all done. Like I said, this is the same for multiple vehicles. Really easy fix, matches the old one. New one's just a little shinier. You can replace both of them if you want. And there it is. Shooting out of both of them there. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Hit the like button, subscribe.